everyone, Judy Ann here from just88.com, and today we're going to be making peanut butter sauce. Alright, and at the same time we are doing a collaboration with Cooking with Corey and other YouTubers, and so make sure you are hitting that hashtag peanut butter hashtag peanut butter. Alright, let's go ahead and make this vegan peanut butter sauce. Let's hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
This one, we're gonna need half a lemon. Freshly squeeze the lemon here. If you guys don't have a lemon squeezer, I suggest to get one. Comment down below if you like peanut butter. Can you hear my Fifi in the background snoring away?
She's sawing wood.
Anywho, there's that. Okay. And then now we're gonna go ahead and put in half a teaspoon of ginger. And I like to use ginger paste. Now, if you ever want to have a ginger paste, if you ever go to the Asian store or the Asian section of the store, sometimes they have this I'm shaking it really good, aren't I? Ginger paste right next to the wasabi in the Asian section of the Kroger's or Ralph's or Smith's or Vaughn's. Anywho, so we need only half a teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of honey. Now we're gonna go ahead and put soy sauce. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Isn't that cute? It's Hello Kitty. Anyways, 2 tablespoons. Here we go. Tablespoons of the rice vinegar. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put in some cut green onion. Comment down below if you have tried this peanut butter sauce before. Now, for those that know me, I like to meal prep, so these are already sliced and refrigerated. Now it's up to you if you want the green onions. Now I like green onions in a lot of my food, so this is why I chose green onions in here. But you could eliminate the green onions if you don't have any or if you don't like green onions. And now I'm gonna add the half a cup of peanut butter, the hashtag peanut butter. Now I'm using the creamy peanut butter. Now it's up to you. If you're a nutty kind of guy or girl, then you could use nutty peanut butter. Just use any kind of peanut butter that you have around. But today I have creamy peanut butter. Comment down below if you like peanut butter. If you do, go ahead and put the number 8, hashtag 8, to let me know that you like peanut butter. Now, what's interesting about me, my haters, is that I hate peanut butter. But luckily, when it's in a sauce like this, I eat it with egg rolls or pad thai noodles. And so this is the only way I enjoy peanut butter, when it's in a sauce like this. Anyways, so here's the half cup of peanut butter, and now we're gonna go ahead and whip this guy up with a whisk. Okay. Oh, you know what? I forgot one more thing, and it is garlic, you guys. We have to add garlic because it's, I don't know, something that we need. So I'm gonna put this aside, and we're gonna put in here our garlic and put in my favorite garlic chopper here. Now, this is my favorite garlic chopper. Now, if you guys don't have this, I would suggest for you to get one of these. It's one of my favorite tools in the kitchen. Okay, and then we're gonna put this guy in here. Okay, take out the blade so I don't lose my fingers. Okay, put in my garlic. Freshly chopped garlic. Now it's up to you if you want to roast these garlic, but I'm okay with just raw garlic, just like that. So now we're gonna go ahead and whip this guy up because it's all ready to get whipped. Whip it good, y'all. Whip it good. Are you having fun in your kitchen? Comment down below and let me know how you like peanut butter. How do you like to enjoy your peanut butter? Do you like to enjoy your peanut butter in a sandwich with a slice of bananas? Or maybe you like peanut butter sandwich with strawberry jam or grape jam. But nope, not for me. I don't like peanut butter that way. I like it this way. And it smells delicious. Now you could smell, the minute you're whipping it up, you could smell the sesame oil and the garlic. Now if you're into spicy, I would suggest to go ahead and add some red crushed peppers into the mix. And I'm actually going to add 1/4 teaspoon of the red chili flakes, like so. Just to give it a kick. Okay. Now that right there was optional. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and say this is finished. And I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it to a nicer looking bowl. I like the coloring too in this peanut butter sauce. Can you guys see that okay? All right, so we made a cup and extra. All right, guys, I thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. I'll see you in the next one, haters.